Hello my beauty team, this is Katya. Welcome to my Katya Beauty Style channel. And if you ever see chandelier like this, the most times I'm gonna introduce you, I'm gonna show you gift with purchase. Yes, September 9 to September 19 at Nordstrom we're gonna have a beautiful Clinique gift with purchase. Look at this beautiful makeup bag. I always begging you girls, if you have 5, 6, 10 years old makeup bag, just throw away. Buy some merchandise from Clinique and you're gonna receive this beautiful makeup bag. Look at how pretty inside, like teal color and more. And let me show you this more items. And remember, it's September 9 to 19. It's only 10 days. You can shop at Nordstrom, Wrinkle, Nordstrom Tampa. This is where I live. You can reach me on Instagram. You can go to the store, or I'm gonna link below my favorite Nordstrom Clinique items, which one I love. And I will tell you, okay, I love eyeshadow primer, I love lip liner, I like lipsticks, I like serum. What else I like? Oh, foundation, of course. Super Balance, my favorite foundation now. Lots of good stuff. Cleanser, it's just variety item. Okay, you know I like to talk. I'm so excited. You need to spend $37 and you will receive this beautiful bag and everything what's inside of this bag. And I don't even know, I'm gonna open in front of you. And what do we have here? We have a cleanser. All about cleanser. Love this cleanser. It's perfect for normal to dry skin, and it's a really nice one. Also, if you're planning to travel, you have everything here for travel. Think about what you're gonna buy with me. Then we have a moisturizer, and it's named Clinique Smart with 15 SPF. Remember, it's your daytime moisturizer, and it's for lines and wrinkles. And if you're gonna use, you're gonna be like me, after 40, no lines and no wrinkles. Then you're gonna have eye makeup remover, and you need to shake this eye makeup removal. It takes the day off. Makeup removal for eye, for lashes. It's a good one. Then we have a lip color here. Ooh la la. And you know what, I know this lip color. Clinique, please, can you give us different colors? Because I feel like every year you bring into us same lipstick. Yes, it's very pretty, very beautiful fall lipstick, and its name, okay, what its name? Number 14, Plum Pop. But I think Clinique need to bring us a little bit different lip color. Okay, what else do we have here? We have a mini mascara, and I believe it's named High Impact Mascara. And this is your regular mascara, it's not your waterproof, but you remember, if you have sensitive eyes, that's it. This good mascara, of course, it's hyperallergenic, it's dermatologist tested, it's people who just start to get into makeup. I think it's a great first try. Okay, then what else do we have? We have with you serum, and this is its Smart Clinique Repair Serum. And I'm gonna talk about serum. This is kind of expensive. They give you pretty big size. If you care about lines and wrinkles, you must use serum. And always, girls, remember, serum comes to your skin much more deeper than moisturizer. This is why you use a morning and night serum first, and then on top of your skin you will put a moisturizer. Of course in the morning, daytime, and of course you need to use nighttime moisturizer. Oh, I have a good idea. You have everything here, but you don't have nighttime moisturizer. So here we go. It's easy to spend $37, right? Again, it will be your purchase with any $37. And let's count how many items are we getting. Bag, it's 1, moisturizer 2, serum 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items so far we have here, but I think we have more. Yes, of course we have more. We have amazing eyeliner number 3, Intense Chocolate, and I love this color. It's such a beautiful color. Oh, sorry, it's on lipsticks right here. Okay, very beautiful color. Love it. This is such amazing deal. Remember, September 9th to September 19th, and this gift exclusive to Nordstrom. Oh, girls, you like this video, right? Give me a thumbs up. I love you more than ice cream. Now we have something extra. We have Step Up. If you spend $55, you will receive a full-size 7-day exfoliator, and this is such a good exfoliator. You can use this exfoliate every single day. This is why it's named 7-day scrub. You know what? You can use also on not just on your face, on your body, because it's really gentle. But I have another news. I'm gonna have another step up. Again, girls, if you spend $37, you will receive this beautiful gift. If you spend $55, you will receive gift and this beautiful full-size face 7 days exfoliator. And if you spend $80, you will receive full-size Smart Clinique Eye Repair Moisturizer. Yes, look at this, such a beautiful color. Oh, how they make this jar. I love to see this like purple colors, and you know, like so many people think Clinique is like green color. To me it's like, looks like they get into more purple color. Look at bag purple, eye makeup remover purple, serum purple. I actually really like this color. You know, I like to talk. But again, September 9 to 19, we're gonna have amazing gift with purchase. With any $37, you will receive one gift. With $55, sorry, you will receive another. And if you spend $80, full-size eye cream. It's right here for you. DM me, call me, reach me on Instagram. Of course, it's free shipping. Or if you have any question about Clinique, I can answer for you. Or I am working with an amazing lady. Her name Jenny Lee, and she is Clinique counter manager. She also will help you with anything you would like to get it from Clinique, or if you have any question. But total gift value, girls, do you think it's like $50? More. You think if it's $100? More. It's $195. It's right here. It's the value of this gift, $195. It's insane. It's insane. Okay, hurry up, DM, love you more. I hope you enjoyed this video. give me a thumbs up, subscribe my YouTube channel, stay with me because I bring in you a beauty news weekly. Usually my video it's coming Sunday, and I always post it Sunday and Wednesday. Okay, bye everybody. Again, love you more than ice cream.